Welcome you all. You have completed chapter 7, The Necklace. I am sure you must have given a thorough reading of whole the lesson. Now you are ready to do the answers of the question properly. I am giving you some guidelines to do the answers in proper way. With the help of that, you will do it. Okay? At first, the two questions of page number 42. The first question is, what do Mr. and Ma'am Lizel do next? For the answer, you will write, when Matilda finds the necklace is not around her neck, she cries and says about it to Mr. Lizel, her husband. He also cries in dismay. In the search of necklace, at first, it will be better that you will write the answers in points if it is possible. So, at first, number 1, they look in the folds of dress and pockets. Number 2, Lizel goes over the track when they have gone on foot. Next point, then he goes to police station but becomes unable to get anything. Next point, after this, he gives an advertisement in the newspaper offering a reward, but all in vain. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. And the last point, at last, they decide to replace the necklace. Question number 2. How do they replace the necklace? They replace the necklace by purchasing a diamond necklace of the same design. That necklace cost 36,000 francs. Firstly, he gave 18,000 francs which his father left for him. Rest of the money he borrowed from usurers and money lenders on high interest by making ruinous promises. Okay, and now the questions from Think About It. The first question is, the course of the Lizel's life changed due to the necklace. Comment. लाइजल के जीवन की जो दिशा थी, जो रहने का उन लोगों का ढंग था, वो नेकलेस के कारण ही बदल गई. इस पर अपनी टिप्पणी दीजिए. तो यस, द स्टोरी गिव्स दिस conclusion that it was the necklace that has changed the course of Lizel's life. The following points can be helpful to reveal the fact. Number 1, to replace the necklace, they had to borrow 18,000 francs at a very high rate of interest. Number 2, they to save money, they had to shift into a rented room in an attic. And next point, they had to send away their maid and all the works like washing dishes, side linen, their clothes and disclothes. She had to wash. Then next point, she brought up buckets of water from the street through stepping down on stairs. In the same manner, Mr. Lizel also, he started to do extra work for the low wages, as putting the books in order, copying the pages at very low wages. In this way, poverty and hard work and hard lifestyle made Matilda a crude human and old, and Mr. Lizel old by 5 years. They suffered that way for 10 years, which was a very long period of time to give a ruin to anyone's life. All these problems came to their life only due to the necklace. Second question, What was the cause of Matilda's ruin? How could she have avoided it? मैटिल्डा की बर्बादी के क्या कारण था? क्या वह इसे किस प्रकार टाल सकती थी? The cause of Matilda's ruin was her greed for high lifestyle. In fact, she was not ready to accept her reality. She did not know to live her life under limitations. She was a daydreamer human. She never behaved like a mature woman. Always she loved to have new and luxury dresses. Not only dresses, she liked to have jewelry too. She never made herself satisfied. Always she used to weep to have more and more luxuries of life. She did not follow her husband's good advices while he was a very sensible person, simple person and sensible. Thus, Matilda's unrealistic dreams, unnatural dreams, were the cause of her ruin. She could have avoided such situation if she had behaved like a mature lady, and on that very day, if she had followed her husband's advice to wear some natural flowers, she would not get such ruinous situation in her life. If she had not remained in her dreamy world, such situation would not take place in their life. Our dreamy world, because what is the truth? Our dreamy world can never come true, so we must accept the reality of life. Third question is, what would have happened to Matilda if she had confessed to her friend that she had lost her necklace? मैटिल्डा के साथ क्या हुआ होता यदि उसने अपनी फ्रेंड के सामने यह स्वीकार किया होता कि उसने उसके हार को खो दिया है? Yes, certainly if Matilda had confessed to her friend, the situation would be quite changed. She would have told her the reality about the necklace, as Ma'am Forrester was a kind lady and was a good friend too. Then Matilda would be able to know that the necklace was artificial and the cost was not more than 500 francs. She could easily arrange the stated amount and they would not go under this such type of ruinous situation. And to replace the necklace, they had to borrow the dues that was very high. So if she would have confessed before about the fact, about the reality, they would not to go under pressure of high debt, which has changed their life into a horrible and difficult life for 10 years. Question number 4. If you were caught in a situation like this, how do you have dealt with? यदि आप इस प्रकार की स्थिति में फंस गए होते तो उसका सामना किस प्रकार करते? तो ये मुझे तो लगता है इसका आंसर आप लोग अच्छी तरह लिख लेंगे, लेकिन हाँ मैं कुछ हिंट्स देते हैं कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट वी शुड ऑलवेज बी अवेयर अबाउट आवर कैपेसिटी, our limitations, our realities. We should not do anything out of our limitation, out of our capacity. If by mistake I were caught in such type of situation, I would try to find the another way to get the solution of such type of problems. I would not try to find the solution in blind manner. उसके बाद उससे संबंधित जैसे मैटिल्डा को जो करना चाहिए था उसको पहले ही जाके सच्चाई बता देनी चाहिए थी, जिससे कुछ रास्ता निकाला जा सके। इस तरह से आप इसको बात को ऐड करके उसकी थोड़ी सी घटना की चर्चा करके आप फिर लास्ट में अपनी बात से उसे रिलेट करके इसके आंसर को आप पूरा करेंगे। नाउ ए थॉटफुल क्वेश्चन। एक थॉटफुल क्वेश्चन हम दे रहे हैं जो कि किताब से ही ली हुई है, सीबीएसई के द्वारा, सीबीएसई के अंडर में जो किताब चलती है उससे ही। और ये इस तरह के इसी से रिलेटेड और भी थॉटफुल क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं। तो इस पे जो हम गाइडलाइंस दे रहे हैं वो आप उससे आप एक मेंटल सेट बनाएंगे इस तरह से आए हुए कोई दूसरे भी थॉटफुल क्वेश्चन के आंसर के लिए। एक थॉटफुल क्वेश्चन है, हिडन आइडियाज और हिडन प्लान्स आर ऑलवेज डेंजरस। वी मस्ट ऑलवेज clear and say truth without caring about result because truth has a great power. Elucidate. जो थॉटफुल क्वेश्चन आते हैं, जो पूछे जाते हैं, वो हमारे निजी ज़िंदगी से रिलेटेड होते हैं। तो यहाँ पर जो ये क्वेश्चन है वो भी कुछ इसी तरह है। तो इसके भी आंसर में इस तरह से लिखा जा सकता है, यस देयर इज़ नो डाउट इन इट दैट हिडन आइडियाज़ एंड हिडन प्लान्स are always dangerous, not only for us but for others too, as we find in this story that Matilda did not tell the truth to Ma'am Forestier and faced a lot of difficulties of life because of her mistake. Her husband, without creating any mistake, he had to face also a hard life, a number of difficulties of life. If she had told the truth to her friend, it would have a different result. They could know the real cost of the necklace, as the necklace was an artificial. और भी इससे संबंधित जो कुछ भी पहले भी क्वेश्चंस में जो चर्चा आ चुकी है वो सब आप देंगे। लास्ट में जो इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में भी हमने डिस्कशन दिया था कि क्या हमें करना चाहिए था, ये हमारे जीवन को किस तरह से प्रभावित करता है, तो उसके आंसर को भी इसमें लेकर लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के डिस्कशन वाले आंसर से भी आप हिंट्स लेके इसे पूरा कर सकते हैं। अब एक शॉर्ट डिस्कशन हम देंगे, वो आपकी किताब में जो है टॉक अबाउट इट। जैसे एक क्वेश्चन है, द कैरेक्टर्स इन दिस स्टोरी स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, डू यू थिंक दिस इज देयर लैंग्वेज? What clues are there in the story about the language its characters must be speaking in? तो आपको पता करना है कि क्या वे लोग इंग्लिश में ही थे या कोई दूसरा था। तो नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं था, वो तो फ्रेंच थे। अब है कि फ्रेंच में ही वे लोग बात कर रहे थे, ट्रांसलेशन इंग्लिश में थी जिसको कि प्रेजेंट किया गया है स्टोरी में। अब है कि क्लूज़, क्या क्लूज़ आपके पास हैं, कैसे आपको पता चला? तो जैसे क्लूज़ ये हो सकते हैं, नंबर 1 करेंसी, फ्रैंक्स, वो तो फ्रांस का ही है। सेकंड है द सेटिंग ऑफ द स्टोरी, जैसे कि वो पार्टीज़ की बात थी ना, या फिर वो जो उससे जो लोन नेकलेस खरीदने का जो स्पॉट था, जो दुकान थी पैलेस रॉयल, उसका लोकेशन वो भी फ्रेंच नेम था। तो इस तरह से ये सारे क्लूज़ हो गए। फिर है ऑनेस्टी इज़ द बेस्ट पॉलिसी, इस पर तो आप बेहतर लिख सकते हैं। थर्ड है वी शुड बी कॉन्टेंट विथ व्हाट लाइफ गिव्स अस, तो ये तो पूरी स्टोरी की समरी है, उससे जो लेसन मिलता है उसी को आप लिख देंगे। ओके, तो इस तरह से सारी क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप अच्छे से लिख लेंगे। थैंक्स।